Did you know that nearly half of adults over the age of 30 have some form of gum disease? Crazy, right? But here's the kicker. Most people don't even realize it's happening until it's too late. So do you know what the real cause of gum disease is? Stick around because today, I'm going to share a simple trick that could change everything for your gum health. All right, let's dive in. Gum disease is more common than you might think, and it can have a serious impact on your overall health. We often hear about brushing and flossing our teeth, but gum health is just as crucial. If left untreated, gum disease can lead to tooth loss and even increase the risk of heart disease. That's why prevention and treatment are so important. And today we're focusing on an easy way to tackle it. So what exactly should we be on the lookout for? Common symptoms of gum disease include red, swollen gums, bleeding while brushing, and bad breath. Sounds familiar, right? The problem is that many people overlook these signs, thinking they're just part of life. But trust me, ignoring these symptoms can lead to severe issues down the road. It's like that leaky faucet you keep putting off. Eventually, it's going to cause bigger problems. Understanding the signs and being proactive is key to preventing gum disease from taking over your oral health. Now let's talk about this simple trick that can help cure gum disease. It's not some complicated regimen. It's actually something you can incorporate into your daily routine with ease. Don't worry, here's the solution, do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues. From gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities, these amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth after brushing your teeth to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description. And in only 10 seconds, you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.